Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right, yes guys, welcome to another Patois Chronicles. Of course, I come here in Jamaica. Salt fish fritters is a must to have. Of course, the batter, some people put a whole heap of seasonings in it, but for me, let's go the best way. But now I just want to take into that sentence a bumpy.
Your face bumpy. Yeah. Watch you looking at the mirror.
So of course, I got hear more upon this. If you watch the entire video, so get your popcorn and come and learn about Jamaica Patois. Chattings, boom. First on the list, watchy. You come here in Jamaica, oftentimes you're going to hear, of course, these double words. I mean, I'm coming now, watchy. Sentence. Them boy, they watchy, you see? Yeah, them can put on the tar, you see? And vice versa. Them girl, they watchy, you see? So you come here in Jamaica, you're going to hear this, I'm going to ask you, me tell you that you're going to hear watchy. You might say, boy, them people here, what they mean? I mean, just these two words, watchy, hey. But, I mean, you come here, you get a full vibes and beer things. You know, so we Jamaican, we put on like a pan it, and so the meaning here, of course, English translation refers to a peeping Tom sentence. This guy is too insecure. This lady is too insecure. Watchy, where ya go? Man, name Fina Jamaica, watchy. Next on the list, Bata. Wow. You come here in Jamaica, of course you got hear that one here. You might say, wow, go on down here to another Caribbean island. You don't know the vibes and the thing and ting set and yeah, yes sir. See your foot them bata like what are you? See your foot them feel. You know, we Jamaican, let me tell you, descriptive words, we find them often. It's not that we're judgmental down here, but we just give people name for no reason. We even say a bata like me or whatever. But hear the sentence, me no want this a mango ya. Me look bata or me no want a mango ya. It bata. In English translation, battered and bruised. Sentence. Why this mango looks so battered? Huh? Alright, look how the smart, and I get it, and I get it, but not lie. So you're batter. Next panelist, Fenke. When me this somebody sit the other day. I remember my mother that said this all the time. You ever sick? You too Fenke, man. You so Fenke. You ever sick? Say it now. Fenke. You try it. What me a mouth? Fenke.
I never said funky, you know. I don't know where you get that word from. I said fenke.
Hey, alright. So fenke. You ever sick? You're too fenke. Alright, so you come here in Jamaica. So you guys are ready now for coming in. You can't come down now, right? Let's get your maths and beer things and ting. You don't know the thing set. Yes, fenke is oftentimes used for a lot of things. Wait on the English translation. Let me wait on for come across to tell you what the thing and thing coming on and skip. See it right here. So now, sick, weak, lack nutrition. You might say, but that's rude. But here in Jamaica, we have a sense of humor. So if you're in our culture, you might say that's a little bit not nice. But here, you see, you have a minute to see you're too fenke, man. But in English language, why are you always sick? You're too fragile. Hey, nothing that Jamaica do. You're fenke. You're puny. Yeah, puny. That one they ever read into puny. Next panelist, bumpy. Where you there?
When you go to Jamaica school, is a problem. Because if you have a bump, you need a bumpy killer, bumpy, all sort of things. So you don't know the things that no offense.
Alright, you come here in Jamaica, this is another well-known one. You're gonna hear bumpy, bumpy, the road bumpy, bumpy. And you can know that me a jumper or me a jiggy, right? Because when you know the vehicle, it's like, why drive on the road, you're bumpy, bumpy. You choose the bumpy, 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 bumpy. You can, the word for the day, a bumpy, bumpy. The road bumpy, bumpy, this a bread, this a fruit, a bumpy, bumpy. You see your face bumpy, bumpy. Where you deal with it, girl? No look good, you bumpy, bumpy, man. Bumps. And they will see you the next morning. I say, bumps, wagwan. Bumps, you're good? Yes, in Jamaica, bumpy, bumpy. Try it. It's not hard enough. Bumpy, bumpy. Your face bumpy, bumpy. So don't feel anyway. Alright, I understand. I'm not talking, anything, but I'm just, boy. It's just a Jamaica thing. You don't know, so we stay. If you're Jamaican and you're vexed, you're the vex suffer. So the English translation for it, of course, covered in bumps. Wow. Can relate to the skin or a fruit with rough exterior, such as sour sap, sweet sap, every sap, big sap, liquor sap, big sap, sweet sap, every sap. Me, So guess what? Yes. You're welcome. I say welcome for you come to the end of another part of Chronicles. Of course, guys, thank you very much for watching. You guys are amazing. You guys are the best. See you guys in Morning Glory, of course, 6:30 a.m. Eastern time, and welcome to Games Night, of course, at 7:30 p.m. on Thursdays. Guys, please, yes, I'm gonna like do something if you watch out, man. Community page and watch and see what I go live, cause not even mean I remember. But check out the description box for my members. You gotta check them out and connect with them. Peace and love from your girl here in Jamaica. One love, we say boom.